I'm diving into the world of SMMT stock to see if it's really about to explode. Let's find out together. SMMT, or Summit Therapeutics, is a biotech company that's been making waves in the stock market lately. What makes SMMT so interesting is its focus on developing innovative treatments, which can lead to some pretty significant movements in its stock price. If you're into biotech or just looking for a stock with potential, SMMT is definitely one to keep an eye on. The biotech industry is known for its volatility, and SMMT hasn't been immune to that. Recently, the company has faced some tough market conditions, which have impacted investor sentiment. There's been a lot of uncertainty surrounding the stock, with some investors getting a bit cautious. This kind of volatility can be unsettling, but it's also a normal part of the biotech investment cycle. Market volatility can be caused by a lot of factors, from regulatory news to shifts in investor sentiment. For SMMT, some of the recent challenges have come down to how investors are perceiving the company's future prospects. When the market gets spooked, stocks like SMMT can take a hit, even if the fundamentals haven't changed. So, it's essential to separate the short-term fluctuations from the long-term potential. Investor sentiment plays a huge role in stock performance, especially in the biotech sector. If investors are optimistic about SMMT's pipeline and upcoming milestones, they're more likely to hold or buy the stock. On the other hand, if there's skepticism, the stock can suffer. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Despite the challenges, there are some key factors that could drive SMMT's stock price up. One major factor is company news, particularly related to its drug pipeline. Positive updates on clinical trials or regulatory progress can significantly boost the stock. Additionally, industry trends and overall market conditions play a role. If the biotech sector is having a good run, SMMT is likely to benefit from that momentum. Industry trends are also worth watching. The biotech sector is constantly evolving, with new technologies and treatments emerging all the time. For SMMT to succeed, it needs to stay competitive and innovative. Financial reports are another critical piece of the puzzle. Strong revenue growth or smart financial management can increase investor confidence and drive the stock price up. Another factor to consider is financial reports. When SMMT releases its quarterly or annual earnings, investors pay close attention to the numbers. A beat on revenue or a positive outlook can send the stock soaring, while a miss can lead to a sell-off. It's essential to keep an eye on these reports and understand what they're telling us about the company's health. Recent announcements from SMMT have been making headlines. The company has been working on some promising treatments, and any positive developments in that area could be a significant catalyst for the stock. For example, if there's news about a successful clinical trial or an accelerated review process from the FDA, that could lead to a sharp increase in the stock price. These developments are crucial because they can change the narrative around the stock almost overnight. If SMMT announces a breakthrough or secures a partnership, it could shift investor sentiment in a big way. Conversely, any setbacks could lead to short-term declines. So, staying informed about these updates is key. The financial health of the company is also vital. If SMMT is managing its finances well, that can reduce risk and make the stock more attractive to investors. A strong balance sheet and smart financial decisions can provide a foundation for long-term growth. In summary, SMMT's potential hinges on a mix of company performance, industry trends, and market sentiment. While there are challenges, there are also opportunities for growth. Keeping an eye on company news, financials, and industry developments will be crucial for anyone watching this stock. So, what do you think about SMMT stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock analysis, check out my other video where I dive into another hot stock in the biotech sector. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.